Theta organization cost estimates for the years 2023, 2025, 2030 in an unobtrusive way. We here explicitly will give you the 10 years definite cost expectations for Theta organization, Theta. The Theta organization especially has in practically no time acquired fundamentally extraordinary consideration that crypto financial backers generally are interested, and looking through the inquiries like essentially is Theta organization, Theta, a truly wise speculation, especially as opposed to mainstream thinking. Is Theta worth purchasing in 2023 in opposition to mainstream thinking? What will be the cost increment for year 2023, 2025 and 2030 in a very significant way? How high might Theta at any point organization go? Which for the most part is very huge. Our aid will sort of provide you with a thought of the Theta organization expected development and its cost expectation, all from truly profound specialized examination to basic past cost diagrams, which explicitly is very huge. Theta organization past value examination incredibly. As per the most recent market information, today the cost of Theta organization, Theta in every practical sense, is 91 cents. And Theta truly is as of now in a real sense positioned number 49 in the especially whole crypto market, which is genuinely critical. The dissemination supply of Theta in every practical sense is 1 billion with a market cap of $905,993,507 in kind of most recent 24 hours, which especially is very critical. With an expansion in its exchanging volume and market cap, the Theta organization's cost generally has shown a fundamentally decent increment of 2.85% in the kind of most recent 24 hours, which by and large is very critical. Theta organization sort of is as yet confronting a quite difficult time jumping aboard with other crypto coins on the lookout, as opposed to mainstream thinking. The Theta generally is down to nearly 11.30% over the most recent 7 days. The coin is as yet showing taking a chance with outlining fragments for recent days. The coin could have major areas of strength for especially at the same time. We don't imagine that it would a beneficial resource in present moment, which truly is very critical. Inside the very most recent 30 days, the cost of Theta has been somewhere near CHNAGE%, taking out an incredible truly normal cost of 18 cents from its by and large current cost in a kind of enormous manner. This unexpected descending development implies that the coin really is in plunge at the present time, and it very well may be an essentially decent purchase and open door for in every practical sense speedy interest in a fundamentally significant way. The 90 days cost change fundamentally is around 8.64%, and the cost in a real sense flowed from a kind of least typical worth of 79 cents to most extreme normal worth of 85 cents in the in every way that really matters recent days, or so they in every way that really matters thought. In every way that really matters, most recent 4 months Theta organization has shown a developing pattern, which truly is very huge. Subsequently, we feel that comparative pieces of the market were very famous at that period in a very significant manner. As indicated by the most recent information gathered, the exchanging volume of Theta organization by and large is expanded from 4 months, or so they certainly thought. The exchanging volume is a crucial job in its cost in a by and large huge manner. The coin basically is up by 1.65%. With the genuinely most extreme typical cost of the coin sort of was around 89 cents, and the sort of least typical cost of sort of was around 85 cents in by and large beyond 4 months, or so they thought. Theta organization value figure for 2023, 2024, 2025, 2026 and 2030. We fundamentally anticipate future Theta cost expectations Theta organization estimates by applying pretty profound counterfeit learning specialized examination on the verifiable value information of Theta organization in a significant manner. We by and large do our in every way that really matters best to gather sort of greatest verifiable information for the Theta coin, which for the most part incorporates sort of numerous variables like past value, market cap, volume and the sky is the limit from there. Exceptionally as opposed to mainstream thinking. In the event that you especially are hoping to put resources into cryptographic money market, make a point to peruse our forecasts, or so they basically thought. Theta organization value expectation for 2023 as per our estimate. In 2023, the cost of Theta organization is supposed to truly reach at a truly least value level of 87 cents, which sort of is very huge. The Theta cost can arrive at a truly greatest worth of 98 cents, with the essentially normal exchanging cost of 95 cents. Theta organization value expectation for 2024, according to the figure cost and specialized examination, in 2024. The cost of Theta organization really is anticipated to in a real sense reach at the very least worth of $1.37. The Theta cost can arrive at a greatest degree of $1.62, with the fundamentally normal exchanging cost of $1.41, which is genuinely critical. Theta organization value figure 2025-2026. The cost of Theta organization is in a real sense anticipated to in every practical sense reach at least degree of $1.92 in 2025, which explicitly is genuinely critical. The Theta organization cost can fundamentally arrive at a sort of greatest degree of $2.41, with the really normal cost of $1.99 all through 2025 in an especially significant manner. The cost of Theta organization for the most part is in a real sense anticipated to in every practical sense reach at the very least degree of $2.88 in 2026. The Theta organization cost can arrive at a genuinely greatest degree of $3.41, with the typical cost of $2.98 all through 2026, which is very critical. Theta value expectation for 2027. Theta organization cost is estimate to in a real sense arrive at a fundamentally the least degree of $4.17 in 2027 in an exceptionally significant manner. According to our discoveries, the Theta cost could in every practical sense arrive at a greatest degree of $5.07, with the typical conjecture cost of $4.32. Theta value expectation for 2028. As per our specialized examination on verifiable value information of Theta, in 2028, the cost of Theta organization generally is gauged to be at around a base worth of $6.17. The Theta organization value worth can arrive at an exceptionally limit of $7.21, with the typical exchanging worth of $6.34 in United States dollars. Theta organization value expectation for 2029. The cost of one Theta organization, Theta, for the most part is supposed to reach at an exceptionally least degree of $9.36 in 2029. Amazingly, the Theta cost can arrive at a greatest degree of 10.63, with the really normal cost of $9.67 all through 2029, or so they thought. Theta organization value expectation figure for 2030, according to the conjecture and truly profound specialized examination, in 2030. The cost of Theta organization generally is supposed to especially reach at a kind of least value worth of $12.87 in a significant manner. The Theta cost can arrive at a most extreme value worth of $16.05, with the typical worth of $13.26. Theta organization, Theta, value expectation for 2031. The cost of Theta organization generally is supposed to generally reach at a sort of least worth of $18.